Carlor will teach you everything he knows. But don't try to be like Carlor, because that could get you killed. Nobody's as strong as Carlor!
Carlor's top 5 Bostaff moves. In this episode, Carlor meets his evil twin brother for the first time, and you'll learn sweet moves with Carlor in the city. The city of brotherly love, Philadelphia, USA.
How to become the ultimate Bostaff Warrior Vigilante. Lightning bolt! You want to have your shoulder width. Hold it like your shoulder width. Alright? Just get comfortable with your weapon. Just get comfortable with it. Let's get excited!
If you're not looking at the screen, definitely look now because Carlor's doing some fierce moves. Fierce moves that you can one day learn if you subscribe to my channel.
Try these tricks, these strikes that Carlor likes to do. I'm from Philadelphia and I'm a vigilante Bostaff Warrior. Gonna do lots of Bostaff. You want to learn a couple tricks with the Bostaff, Carlor knows a lot. And he'll show you. Here's one. Hold the Bostaff out like this. 2 hands. And just flip the Bostaff right and tuck it underneath your armpit like this. Carlor is just going around trying to make sure all the citizens of Philadelphia are safe. Carlor is Rattail's alter ego, and he protects all of the citizens of Philadelphia from evil. Good afternoon, Abe. It's Abraham Lincoln. Carlor knew him when he was alive. Then you're going to lean forward and switch it to your other armpit like this. Now go diagonally forward again and flip it back under the other armpit. And just keep doing that for a while. Focus on form, not speed. Don't try to go too fast until you get used to it, because technique is much more important than speed. After a while, you can do all that fancy stuff that you see on YouTube videos where people are just going super fast with it, like Carlor does. That's a double-handed figure 8. Next, let's just start with the basic. Let's go real basic. Choke up, kind of like a baseball bat. All right? Do the same thing, but when you do it, turn your torso from the left to the right, and that gives you a bigger swing radius.
This technique is good for far reach when your opponent is far away.
Here, I'm doing the same technique, but as you do it, switch your hand from one side to the other. Here I'm holding it by the end, and then I switch it where I'm holding it more middle now. This tree looks pretty good. I could get Abraham Lincoln in the background. Let me film my Bostaff video. Here's the center of your staff. You want to come maybe 10 inches from the center, and that's a good placement. Hold it like your shoulder width. You're just getting used to the weight of your weapon. In this video, Carlor wants to teach you about the Bostaff. Here I am with just the Bostaff. The nunchucks are in the car. Carlor is from the future. I don't even know what year I was born anymore. lightning bolt. When that happens, I strike the ground with electricity and everybody gets electrocuted. Just get comfortable with your weapon. You'll learn that one in the advanced class. Carlor enjoys the bow staff. It's good exercise. You gotta learn your figure eights. The double-handed figure eight, you keep one hand facing up, one hand facing down. You know, palms backwards, and you go like this. You start a wind cyclone. It causes tornadoes. Really effective. It's really effective against the enemy. Just take one hand off and do the same spin. It's kind of like rowing a boat, but you're using the top of your stick to push backwards on the river. If I was in a boat right now, you might want to like loosen up your grip a little bit, because your wrist might not be strong enough to flex when you're holding the bow staff tightly. The butterfly knife technique is when you spin the bow staff right in front of you like this. The center of the staff is between your hands. You're gonna make a butterfly symbol with your hands like this. See the butterfly? See the pretty butterfly? Alright. Then you got the knife. You knife down your arm, and that's when you grab it. Butterfly, knife, butterfly, knife. Make sense? Now you want to learn how to do it both ways. You're still doing the butterfly knife, it's just switched around, switching hands. One hand used to be the knife, now it's the butterfly. Understand? Carlor will teach you everything he knows. Who are you? Carlor. It is me, your twin brother, Tarlor. Twin brother? You look just like me. But how can this be? What's the matter? Lost your memory? Yes, Carlor has been alive for a very long time. But if you are truly Carlor's twin brother, then you would be just as old as Carlor. Sifu always favored you over Tarlor that day at the temple when you attacked me with the fire attack. I got blasted away into a wormhole. It was a never-ending time loop variant universe. I broke free of the wormhole, and now I am back to get my revenge. All this time, I went searching for you, and I couldn't find you. Had to do the fire attack at full capacity. Otherwise, your ice power could have frozen the entire Earth. You were always so hard on Carlor. Tarlor was only trying to make you stronger. Don't want to fight you, brother, but at last, here you are, and Tarlor will get his revenge.
Carlor hasn't seen his brother since he was a young Shaolin warrior monk centuries ago. But his own twin brother? How could this be?
Fire and ice!
Carlor has almost forgotten.
I don't want to fight you, brother. This will not be the last you see of Tarlor. Tarlor will get his revenge. Goodbye, brother. I hope I can turn brother to the light side of Kung Fu. Please hit the like button, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next video. Whew. And watch out for Carlor's Bostaff strikes. Where? Ha! 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 Alright, scared you. Just kidding. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. Just get comfortable with your weapon. I'm the ultimate Bostaff Warrior Vigilante of Philadelphia. It's too noisy around here.